Those of us that make the choice to travel alone is normally because we want to find some solitude in our crowded world, a moment in time to ourselves. This video is a result of my pursuit. It doesn't matter where in the world you are. I found this spot using the tools available to everyone. All you need is an internet connection and a map. After a day at crowded Sauble beach, I wanted to find a secluded spot to have a bite to eat and soak in a nice sunset. I opened Google Maps and scanned up and down the coast of Lake Huron and found St. John Nature Preserve. There were no reviews and no photos, located right on the coast and in a small community. I knew there might be something there. Sit back, relax, and enjoy a slice of paradise found on the eastern shores of Lake Huron in Ontario, Canada.